Welcome to the Specialty Centers of Stafford County Public Schools, where passion meets purpose. Our specialty centers provide unique opportunities for students to immerse themselves in specialized coursework and hands-on experiences, preparing them for future careers and life after high school. Each center, housed within one of our high schools, fosters a like-minded community where students can explore multiple career pathways designed to help them achieve their goals. Welcome to the Leadership, Education, and Public Service Center at Mountain View High School, where students explore dynamic careers and post-secondary education pathways. At the LEAP Center, students dive into 4 exciting pathways: education, law and criminal justice, and civic leadership, including civic leadership with our International Baccalaureate Diploma program. Our center equips students with essential skills in leadership, communications, advocacy, critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork. Students in the LEAP Center benefit from hands-on learning experiences and real-world applications. Each pathway includes a capstone project and a culminating service learning activity, ensuring that students leave with practical skills and a deep appreciation for community and public service. Whether you're passionate about civic leadership, aiming for an International Baccalaureate Diploma, aspiring to teach, or interested in law or criminal justice, LEAPS offers rigorous coursework and valuable experiences to prepare you for future success. Our 4 pathways include civic leadership, open to students eligible for grade 9, civic leadership with the International Baccalaureate Diploma program, requires successful completion of Algebra 1 in grade 8 and eligibility for grade 9, Teachers for Tomorrow, open to students eligible for grade 9, and law and criminal justice, open to students eligible for grade 9. Apply to the LEAP Center at Mountain View High School and step into a world of leadership, education, and public service. Embark on a journey that will shape your future and empower you to make a difference in the community and beyond. Welcome to the Engineering, Professions, and Industries of Construction Center at Stafford High School, where innovation meets industry and future careers take shape. The EPIC Center offers an unparalleled opportunity for students to explore and excel in a range of engineering and construction trade careers. Whether you're interested in carpentry, electricity, engineering, HVAC, masonry, or plumbing, our program is designed to equip you with practical skills and industry knowledge. Our program extends your learning beyond the classroom with rigorous coursework and hands-on experiences. Students will engage in innovative projects, develop critical thinking skills, and enhance their creativity and entrepreneurial abilities. Choose from 2 distinct pathways to tailor your education. Our first pathway, Construction Trades, focuses on carpentry, electricity, HVAC, masonry, and plumbing, open to students eligible for grade 9. And our engineering pathway, students dive into advanced engineering concepts. This requires successful completion of Algebra 1 in grade 8 and eligibility for grade 9. Students have the opportunity to earn valuable certifications and credentials, such as the National Center for Construction Education and Research, NCCER certification, project management, heavy equipment, OSHA 10, and OSHA 30, setting you up for success in your chosen field. Engineering students will gain a strong foundation in the many engineering specializations, readying them to excel in a college or university program. Apply to join the EPIC Center at Stafford High School and build a future where your skills and passions converge. Discover the pathways to a successful career in engineering or construction trades with us. Welcome to the Community Health and Medical Professions CHAMP Center at Brook Point High School, where your journey to a career in healthcare begins. At the CHAMP Center, we offer an immersive learning experience designed to prepare you for a variety of healthcare careers. Whether you're aspiring to become a medical doctor, nurse, physician assistant, or mental health professional, our comprehensive programs are here to guide you every step of the way. Choose from 4 dynamic pathways. Pathway 1, Biomedical Science, dives into the world of medical research and healthcare sciences, ideal for students with a strong foundation in Algebra 1. Pathway 2, Nursing, prepares students for a career as a CNA, LPN, or RN with specialized coursework and hands-on training. Pathway 3, Medical Assisting. Start your journey toward becoming a medical assistant with coursework that sets you up for success in assisting in a variety of medical professions. Pathway 4, Mental Health Services, focuses on the vital field of mental health, learning to support and care for individuals facing mental health challenges. Our rigorous curriculum is designed to enhance your critical thinking, foster innovation, and develop your healthcare skills. Students can earn valuable credentials, including Certified Nurse Aide, CNA examination, Therapeutic Services Assessment, National Council Licensure Examination for practical nurses. Apply to join the CHAMP Center at Brook Point High School and step into a world of opportunities in healthcare. Your path to a fulfilling career in the medical and health professions starts here. In August 2025, Stafford County Public Schools will open the Business and IT Center, a new specialty center at Colonial Forge High School focused on business and information technology. With 5 cutting-edge pathways: business administration, entrepreneurship, cybersecurity, business information and technology, and data analytics, this new center will offer students the chance to dive into the world of business, technology, and cybersecurity. Prepare for a successful career with industry certifications, dual enrollment opportunities, and hands-on projects that mirror real-world demands of these fast-growing industries. Business and IT Center at Colonial Forge High School, shaping the future of the next generation of business and tech leaders. Stafford County Public Schools Specialty Centers, providing innovative pathways to meaningful post-secondary outcomes for every student. Find your passion. Build your future.